When should you worry about a persistent cough and lung cancer? Imagine waking up with a cough that just won't go away. It lingers 4 weeks and starts to worry you. That's when it's time to pay close attention and consider seeing a healthcare professional. A cough lasting more than 3 weeks is a key sign that something may need medical evaluation. If your cough is getting worse or changing over time, it's especially important to get checked. Sometimes a persistent cough can be caused by common issues like allergies or a cold, but if it sticks around, it could be an early sign of lung cancer. Other symptoms to watch for include coughing up blood or rust-colored mucus, which can be a sign of lung problems. Chest pain that worsens with deep breaths, coughing, or laughing is also concerning. If you notice hoarseness, unexplained weight loss, loss of appetite, or shortness of breath, these are signs that should not be ignored. Persistent fatigue, recurrent chest infections, or new wheezing can also be clues. Swelling in the face or neck, difficulty swallowing, or pain in the chest or shoulder area are additional signs that warrant medical attention. People with a history of smoking or exposure to lung irritants are at higher risk for lung cancer. If you fall into these groups, it's especially important to be vigilant about any persistent cough. Changes in the shape of your fingertips, known as finger clubbing, or neurological symptoms if the cancer has spread are also signs that requiring prompt evaluation. Most coughs are caused by benign conditions like infections or allergies, but studies show that about half of lung cancer patients have a persistent cough at diagnosis. Early detection can significantly improve treatment success. Doctors will review your medical history, ask about your smoking status, and examine your symptoms. They may order chest X-rays or scans to find the cause. If lung cancer is diagnosed early, treatments tend to be more effective. Remember, if your cough lasts more than 3 weeks, worsens, or is accompanied by other symptoms or risk factors, don't wait. Seek medical advice promptly. Early diagnosis can make a big difference in your lung health and overall prognosis. Always trust your body and consult healthcare professionals for personalized care.